Today we're showing you how to properly install the SMC 600R motorcycle carrier. To begin, slide the anti-tilt device onto the main hitch tube of the carrier. With another person, install the carrier and align the half-inch hole on the main hitch tube with the vehicle hitch pin hole. Slide the pinch bolt and sleeve into place and tighten using two 17mm sockets or wrenches. Next, slide the anti-tilt device forward until flush against the hitch and finger tighten all bolts. Once finger tight, use a 17mm socket or wrench to firmly tighten. After the carrier is secure, unscrew the wing nuts and remove the loading ramp from the storage pins. Align the loading ramp mounting pin with the mounting hole on the carrier track. Before loading, it is recommended that you have two ratchet straps attached and ready on the front tie-down points. It is also recommended that you attach 4 soft loops to the motorcycle to create safe and proper tie-down points before loading. With the motorcycle in line with the loading ramp and another person to assist, smoothly push the motorcycle up the ramp into the carrier track with the front wheel resting in the wheel chock and cradle. If there is excess room, you will have to remove the motorcycle from the carrier and adjust the wheel chock to the proper wheel size. When the wheel chock is properly sized, the front of your motorcycle will sit up off of the carrier track. After your motorcycle is installed on the carrier, attach all 4 tie-down straps to the soft loops. Be sure all straps are tight and secure. Once the bike is secure, tie up any excess strapping from the tie-downs. After the motorcycle is secure, store the loading ramp back on the carrier and secure with wing nuts. Before transport and periodically during travel, ensure the motorcycle is properly tied down, the carrier is tight in the receiver hitch, and that all parts of the carrier are secure. Thank you for watching this demonstration video on how to properly install the SMC 600R motorcycle carrier.